The SpiroPure SP-FC100 drinking water filter faucet offers a stylish, modern design and 4 attractive finishes to complement any kitchen. This NSF-certified faucet is lead-free and can be used with any under-sink water filtration system. This video demonstrates a standard installation that doesn't use the faucet's optional air gap feature. Before installing, please consult the instruction manual in conjunction with this video. You may use a pre-drilled soap dispenser hole or drill a hole in your sink or countertop to accommodate the faucet. This faucet will fit any hole between 7/8 of an inch and 1 1/8 of an inch. When drilling, professional assistance is recommended. First, check that the rubber O-ring is pre-installed in the faucet base. Thread the blue hose through the faucet base. To secure the SP-FC100 to your countertop, you can usually install most of the hardware onto the threaded stem above the blue filtered water tube before inserting it into the hole in the sink or countertop. If your sink or countertop is less than 1/2 inch thick, slide on the white plastic spacer. Slide on the small metal washer, then the star washer, then install the mounting nut and begin turning it. Turn the mounting nut until the installation hardware is within about 1 inch of the base of the plastic spacer. Now slide the stem with installed hardware through the hole in your sink or countertop. Next, slide the large C-shaped metal washer into that 1 inch gap above the installation hardware. Position the faucet base to cover the hole in the countertop. Hold the metal washer in place and fully tighten the nut. Tip: you may find it easier to finish tightening the hardware with the help of a dedicated RO faucet wrench. Note: it can be helpful to have someone hold the faucet in place while you secure it under the sink. Once secure, gently wiggle the faucet base to ensure it is in place. Connect the blue 1/4 inch tube from the faucet to your filter or RO system's outlet port. If your filter uses 3/8 inch tubing, use a QC adapter. In most installations, cutting the tubing to size won't be necessary. Extra length helps with future filter changes and maintenance, but always be careful not to let the tubing get pinched. Be sure that no tubing has come loose during the faucet installation by gently tugging to test their connections. Open the drinking water faucet. Be sure to run water through it for a few minutes if it's new and was not flushed during the installation of your under-sink filtration system. If there are leaks, ensure that all hoses are properly attached, there are no kinks, and filter housing is adequately tightened. If using the faucet with an RO system, you may hear noise as the storage tank fills with water, or from water dripping through the wastewater line. This is normal. With normal regular use, your drinking water faucet may become loose. Simply reposition and retighten the hardware under the sink. Your faucet is now ready for use. SpiroPure, serving all your filtration needs.